Yo, what's up? What's up, microwave? Oh, all right. So, a little early stream. You know what I mean? um, I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be doing the options menu for the prison scene. So, like, one of the last menus I gotta do. So, I think in this options menu, I'm only gonna include like the basic stuff, like audio controls and um like full screen stuff like that. Cause I'm gonna be honest, like it would be kind of hard to implement all the options being able to be used in the options menu or in the prison scene. Cause not a new mic. I've used this mic for forever. I've always had this mic. Yeti Blue. It's a very basic mic, but it's good. I mean, I don't need anything crazy. But no, not a new mic. What is playing right now? All right, so oh. So much Kanye stuff. Well, there's only two. But I've been trying to listen to more Kanye West because it's interesting. Looking into other artists. All right, probably just do this. Not gonna lie. So yeah, I need to make the thing. I finished all the options today in the title screen. I also finished the credits sequence thing. I can actually show that off. Well, maybe not actually. Maybe I'll leave it for you to play. But yeah, just gonna do the options menu. This is from the main menu. Just gonna steal some of the assets here. This is a scroll bar. Oh, right, because I'm planning on having more. All right, I'll take this, put it in a new panel. Put it here with the pause in the help menu. Do some stuff here. But I also recently, I think I talked about it in the server, but I recently got the recompilation of Sonic 06 to be working, which is really exciting for me because I love Sonic 06 a lot. So that's cool. Alright. And then so that's the audio stuff. I'm gonna take this stuff. So now everything's there. So this is gonna have these things. This is a slider. This is the sound one. This is that. I don't need the background stuff. So we're just gonna have 3 things. Not gonna be a very crazy options menu. I could use the one from the original. What does the original one look like? Because I don't want to make a whole new thing. It's a little big. No, this is good actually. This is good. I can style it after this as well. Yeah, it looks fine. Just take a screenshot of this. Actually, what I'm going to do is, I put it on Steam, is I'm gonna do this, do a little bit of this, a little bit of this, oh, and oh, keybinds. Oh, get out of the way. It's so big. Go. I guess I'm gonna have to do this eventually. Definitely not coming out with that though. Alright. The reason I'm doing it in this kind of smaller thing is I'm getting a screenshot of this. Need to make sure to not show all my pictures on stream. No, there's nothing on it. Actually, it should be fine. Is this one? Is this one? Yeah. All it is. It saves all of my screenshots. So I like screenshot stuff with the picker, the screen thing. And so it literally saves all of them. It did not do that on my old computer, so now I have like literally all of my screenshots. Alright. This is the one I took. So I'm just gonna crop that. Check it out. This is what I generally do when taking good screenshots from the Escapists. So it's in its original non-stretched form. Technically this is still kind of stretched, but I'll talk about that in a little bit. But it's interesting. Actually I should probably do it from here. Yeah, even in this form it's still technically not. TS is crazy. Oh. Alright. And then what I do is, this isn't how I want to do it. If I ever want to get like a really good screenshot of the game, like perfect, pixel perfect, I don't do what I'm doing right now. But I don't want to spend a whole lot of time doing this, so I'm just going to do this. Because Krita's upscale and downscale scale tool with nearest neighbor is not good. It's not accurate for some reason. I don't know why, but it's not. Okay, so I'm gonna have this open. I'm gonna look at the size, 182 by 180. We'll look for a menu that matches that. Probably one of the first, maybe not actually. I think the options menu is one of the things that got changed. Maybe it's this one? No. Here it is. Let's see, 182 by 180. Looks like it. I'm also assuming that this is the done button, so I'll use that as well. Yeah, so it's 358. You know, just to make sure it looks all good, I'm gonna copy that out here so I can use it in the game, so I can actually see what I'm doing. But it will be deleted. It'll be deleted. But this is also what I do if I want to do a UI thing, but I don't like I need to see like what's going on. All right, so it's 182 by 180. So 182, everything's multiplied by 5. All right, and then this image should be completely like this. Okay, see, so now I have it in here. I would normally not be able to have it in here, but we ball. All right, so I'm gonna move this up a little bit. Probably, let's see, is this, I don't know if that actually fits. Now I can't see if it fits. Oh, what? Quota panel. What? Oh, menu. Oh. That's weird. There we go. All right. So I want to see if like it's too big. So I'll look at this here and then I'll switch over. Oh, so it's close. We can go up one more pixel. I'm gonna move it down a pixel. Let's see. Yeah, so it's perfect. It's perfectly in the center now. Between the hotbar and the top of the screen. This is something too with the way my game is. It's like my game is really big scale-wise. Like graphically. I didn't know this when I started, but every pixel, like all of like these pixels here, you can see these squares, that's 5 pixels, or it's 25 pixels in area, so it's 5 by 5, and that's actually pretty big. The original game is about 4 by 4 for each pixel, but again it's stretched, and so the pixel size is really constantly changing, but I would say on average it's 4 by 4. So my game is, it looks more zoomed in. Like when playing the game, like the actual like prison part of the game, it doesn't look bad. You can't really notice it at all. Because of the way it's scaled. It kind of looks like playing mobile version or something. But with all these UI elements, and especially the font, like the text and everything, it looks huge. So yeah, and some things are just not like able to fit. Like, I mean, this menu fits fine in the original game, and it barely fits here. So that's kind of a problem that's been occurring. I actually have had to downscale a couple menus by a little bit. So yeah, I don't think it's terrible, but it might be a change coming in the future. That'd be a really big change, though. And I think, like, for other things, it looks good. So it's hard to figure that out. Figure out the scaling of stuff. Because I would have to, like, that would affect the whole game. Like, and I have to, like, stick to that, you know? So, I mean, what I've been doing so far has been working fine, so. Alright, so let's see. So I have settings here. So I'll add a little text mesh pro. All right, and then move it up here. And this got it like, what, like 2 to 15, so that's 13. It's got 15 pixels from the top down, so let's see what that look like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's about like that height. Boom. Then I'll just put it like this, and like this. So now it's perfect. This is 0. That can stay the same actually. I hit that perfectly. All right. So that's the settings text up there. Make sure this also doesn't have ray casting. All right. Also need to do a couple more things to this panel. I need to make an ID panel, and then box collider. 910, 900. There we go. All right. So I got the music slider, music text. So it just says music on it. So since I'm doing this based off of the original, I'm gonna do that. Color pick that kind of off-white color there. Oh, it is white. It doesn't look white. Okay. And then these are centered kind of like right here it starts. Looks fine. And then like up here, and it's centered. The music text can go, I guess, a little bit like here, something like that. Oh, that looks peak. Or should it be in the middle here? No, it should not be in the middle. That looks terrible. All right, I'll align it to this pixel. And then, yeah, and all the UI elements, I align it to a pixel. I'm really AIDS about that. I'm like really, like, I care a lot about that. So it takes a little longer to do things, but I'd say it's worth it. I'll align it to this pixel. Yeah, constantly changing these values on the side here. Oh, what? Color picker is not right. this goes up a little bit. Yeah, that looks better. I see. It's too far. Yeah, this looks fine. And then I'll put the button down there. What am I whistling? Whistling the music that's playing. This right here. It's from Deltarune. Why is this weird? Okay. Michael? What on earth? Never played it? Dude, play it. Did you play Undertale? Are you just doing the menus right now? I'm just finishing up this settings menu. This is like almost done. Just gotta add the done button. Oh, I need to add a set and a done button actually. Yeah, I didn't like it as much as everyone else. Why not? Alright, I think if I want to do the done, I need a set button. How do I have it in the original thing? I don't know, honestly, my expectations were too high. I mean, it's a little indie game that this one guy made. So, yeah, I usually don't play RPGs either. I think for me, the reason I liked it so much is, of course, like the characters. I really like the characters, but I kind of grew up with the game, so um, yeah. There's a bunch of lore and stuff, which is interesting. No one goes to Undertale for the gameplay. Not gonna lie, it does get glazed. Well, I mean, rightfully so. I'm gonna be honest. It's definitely one of the best games of all time, at least for me. But yeah, I mean the gameplay, like, it's a very easy bullet hell. My favorite game is The Escapists. But I don't play many games. I really don't. Um, well, I play a lot of Sonic games, but other than Sonic, I don't really play any games. Should have guessed that, yeah. About The Escapists. I know Deltarune is like, I would say it's better than Undertale, like, objectively. For me, like, personally, I care more about Undertale than Deltarune. Um, but I think Deltarune is, like, actually a good game. Not just a plain old story game, but it's actually kind of hard. Like, there's hard battles in Deltarune, unlike Undertale. And there's more than it's not just walking around. There's a bunch of yeah, it's being released in chapters, but there's a bunch of different like ways that uh you can move around, if that makes sense. There's like, it's not just walking. Um it's pretty funny. I think the jokes are mostly pretty good. Um yeah, it's a good plan. Trying it out when it's fully released. That was what I was gonna do originally, but then I just decided to play through what was out, and I really, really, really enjoyed it. So I honestly wasn't expecting much. I did play chapter 1 when it came out back in like 2019 or 2020, 2018, 20, I don't know. And I thought it was all right back then. But chapter 1's definitely like the worst. It's still good, doesn't mean it's bad, but it's definitely like the lesser of the ones that are out right now, which makes sense because it's the first one, and it's also very different from the other chapters because he changed a little. He changed a good bit about the gameplay in battles and like how they worked a lot after chapter 1. So don't base your whole experience of the game on chapter 1, because it's definitely a lot less, I would say, like, I don't know, it's just not as well done as the others. Not saying that it's like not done well, but like he did what he had to do for a first chapter kind of thing. I don't think he could have really done it a different way. It's more serious than the other chapters. It's also pretty short. Alright, what am I doing? Yeah. My favorite chapter was chapter 2, but I'm not going to talk about it because obviously I haven't played it, so. Oh yeah, for sure. He's definitely learned a lot. He had to change like a lot of the core like game stuff. Like he had to change the engine the game was on and all that stuff. Like last couple years, I think, something like that. But it's so much more polished and just better than Undertale in so many ways. Okay, what am I looking for? Options panel. Here we go. What was I even looking for? Oh, I was looking for the set. So it's back in set. Okay. No, I like talking about that type of stuff. These look, I feel like these are going to be a little small for the settings. Maybe. It's whatever, it doesn't really matter. It's one little menu. Alright. Oh, it's so small. Oh, these look fine. I'll put one here. And then put one here. It doesn't look centered. It's not centered. What? Oh, it's because that's not the middle. Well, that's a good distance apart, I think. Can't you snap to grid? Can I? What is my grid set to? It's set to 0.05. My grid is very small. Oh, my grid is so small. Go up by like 2 powers of 10. It's not doing it. Oh, well, it's doing it, kinda. But I think that's just the UI being snapped. Oh, I have to turn on this. I mean, I used the snapping, but I still have to like get it on the grid. You know what I mean? So it's still like off. I mean, obviously this is good. I used to use the snapping a lot, but I just use the grid as a lineup type of thing now. Why is this not in the center? Well, it's just not in the center. That's just how it is. Oh, it's because I have it scaled up so much right now. If I put it at 1, that does not matter. I mean, this looks good. How many pixels is this? $25. Oh, that's perfect. I just gotta move it over a little bit. Yeah, I count pixels a lot. I really care about the little details. Alright, there's that. There's that. Alright, that's good. And these, their adventures need to be changed. There's got to be a way, bro. I don't count pixels often. That's like one of the few times that I've done it. I usually do it based off this grid, but I can't do it based off this grid because of me being scaled up right now for doing UI stuff. But also, like, I want it to just be perfect, pixel perfect. I mean, it's not like it's an insane waste of time, because I think a lot of games suffer from, like, a lot of indie games suffer from just not having the UI like nice and just good. Like, the Escapist suffers from this a lot. None of the text in the game is centered. So this is not, if you're to count these two sides, it's different. These different. This is not centered. And it bugs me so much. Like, it's like the worst part about the game for me. Like, the UI is just not very polished. I like the UI. Like, I like how it looks. But it's just like, you know, like, what are these lines here? These are never used anywhere else in the game. I don't know. Why don't I use the button spray from the game? What do you mean? Like these buttons? I do. You can't see them because it takes the game's assets. I don't have any of the assets from the game in here. Well, besides this menu right now, which I'm actually gonna remove. I was using it to see. But yeah, pretty much everything's white in my game. Which makes it like aids to work with. But it, you know, you see, that's why this stuff's white, this stuff's white. This is, I made this, so like obviously it has like these, but I had to like cut them out of from where they were in the game. It was like really weird. Yeah, the game like decompiles the original and then imports the assets, but it never saves any of the files on your computer. Technically, I mean, okay, it does in memory, but it's not like you can like really easily do that or get them from memory. So it's pretty cool. Really hard to do it. I don't know how I did it actually, but I did it. I don't know. All right, log in. So this. Gonna need a way to get to this menu. This should be settings. I call it options in the main menu. I should change that because I like consistency in naming. Again, another problem a lot of things have is it's just inconsistent, which I hate. I hate inconsistency in games, and not just in games, but in like guides or videos or stuff. Like inconsistency in like naming or technicalities of things, if that makes sense. But I mean, I realize why it happens so much is because it's hard to keep up with. I was making a guide. I was doing a revision of a guide that I made for a sound system at my school, because I run that, or used to run that, and I'm passing it off to a new guy because I'm graduating, or I graduated, but a new person doing it. So I wanted to leave them a guide. And well, I already made a guide a couple years ago, but I wanted to make a revision of it. And I wanted to keep it like super consistent and all that stuff. But it's just like it's like hard to do that. Like it's hard to remember all that other stuff unless you like take notes, which I guess I should have done. But it's hard to do that. But it's awesome when people do it right. All right, so I used to change names and nodes. Wow. Why would you change the names of nodes? That's a Godot thing, right?
Yeah, I kind of just keep the naming scheme however I just start it. Like, in my game, there's some naming schemes that I really don't like. Like, for example, in all these menus, it's like, well, this doesn't even have it, but from here down, it's job menu panel, craft menu panel, notes menu panel, menu panel, menu panel. Like, what? Oh, yeah. Yeah, when I started this, I didn't like have a consistent naming thing for, well, I did for some things, but I didn't really care enough, which is bad because now I'm suffering from that. Like some things have spaces in the name, like UI stuff. There's a space. I don't like that, but I can't change it because a lot of things reference this folder specifically for this one sprite, which is literally nothing. So yeah. So you're not able to leave this menu. You're not able to close the pause menu without going back. I don't think I can close. How do I have this set up? Again, consistency. I want to check how I'm doing this. I don't think I'm able to. Oh, I'm gonna have to do this. Bruh, I hate having to load in every single time. What am I checking? Yeah, I keep forgetting what I'm doing. Why do I keep forgetting things? Just forgetting all the time. Alright. So there's a help. Oh, that's a problem. I can close it by pressing escape. I'll change that. options menu. Let me see. How do I? Because I know. All right. Good night. Are you? I don't think I've ever seen you. Are you in the Discord server? Guess he left. Oh well. Oh. Oh right, you're that guy that can't get it because he's in Turkey. I forgot. All right, see you. I think this is done. I just gotta add the thing. Okay, that's... It literally worked. Yeah, it works, bro. Let's see this. This is actually interesting. This is so loud. It is so loud. Oh my goodness, look at the old... Oh, this is old. This is old stuff. Oh, that's really old. Oh my goodness. What? I remember seeing this, I think, at some other... Because they were doing this while, I think they were doing this while Chris was doing his, maybe. But this is just the, this is just the, oh wow, that's so unfinished. It's just a trailer. Also, yeah, it's just the trailer. The all game. Any news about a new DLC for Escapist 1? Escapist 5 confirmed. Still no crossplay? What do you mean? It's Escapist 1. There's not even, like... There's not even, had I seen it earlier. Bruh. Doesn't mean... What? Up, up, down, down, left, right. Yeah, what? It's literally... Thanks. Thanks for the info we all know. Alright. Lock in. This should be good. That should be good. I did the buttons. I need to assign the buttons in the thing here. Oh, this is already a thing.
Bruh. Alright, we'll set this correctly. Okay, that's all of the... Oh, one more thing that I did want to do while doing the settings menu. I want to do this screen. What am I doing? What am I doing?
Holy gray, I'm bored. I do not want to do this right now. I'm gonna end the stream.